Cho. You know what cho mean? Cho.
Cha means like you're annoyed. Or like,
Exactly.
instead of saying something you might regret saying, you just kind of say cha.
It's a filler word.
Yeah.
How often do I end up having to tell you cho?
Too often.
Okay, so that means you always give me pure stress.
Not necessarily.
So yeah, cho is one of the very Jamaican expressions that we use when we're kind of annoyed or upset or angry and we don't want to say something. We just say
Or you kiss
Cho.
your teeth.
yeah, kiss your teeth, roll your eye, cho. I can't go so long again. Maybe I have too much inner peace now.